Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create some custom party favors for a 1-ounce bag of animal crackers. If you're interested in learning how to create these yourself, make sure you watch the entire video. Before hopping into the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. And if you find the video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. To get started, you want to head on over to canva.com and log into your account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. You can try Canva Pro free for 30 days when you use our referral link in the description box down below. Next, you want to head on up to custom size, make sure it's in inches, and you want your page size to be 8.5 by 11, and select create a new design. You can also select the flyer option, which is also 8 by 5 by 11, or the worksheet option. So once our blank page pulls up, we can head on over to Elements, scroll down to Lines and Shapes, and from there we can start creating our template. So once you have created your template, I would make a copy of the blank template page. That way you always have a blank template to go by when you need to create some new labels. You can head on over to your Upload tab and start uploading all of your clip arts and images you want to use in your design. I have already uploaded my clip arts and saved them in a folder. Now, even with the free version of Canva, you can create folders to help you keep your clip arts organized. The Safari clip art that I'm using in my design is from MOCKUPS, and if you use our discount code Hanging with the Kiddos, you can save 50% off your entire purchase over on their website. I'll leave our link in the description box down below. Right now, I'm just going through all of my clip arts and adding what I may want to use in my design to my page. I'm about to quickly create my design. I'm going to save, I'm going to print, and I'm going to assemble, so stay tuned. I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and drop me a comment. You can find the links to all the materials that I used to assemble in the description box down below. You can head on over to our website, hangingwiththekiddos.com, and check out all of our ready-to-edit templates and custom party favors that you can customize and print today, or we can print and ship everything out directly to you. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more video tutorials, and follow us over on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Hanging with the Kiddos. See you next time. Bye.